Let's get ready for the off-road that cost $1,980 to buy. To charge motorcycle. So let's start with this. We're looking at the interior of the engine. Wear and tear. After the exhaust pipe was drained, the piston was found to be strained again. It doesn't even work to start the motor. Start the motor, turn the card, and intend to issue it. The screw is very rusty. The situation inside is not very good. Carbon brush stuck. I am you. It activates the starter motor, puts the piston into sag. Fortitude was found to be strained. I can't take care of that much now. Put the exhaust pipe back on. Start the engine and see if it can be cleaned. We're going to have to remove the fuel tank. Check if the high voltage package has a spark cylinder. No accident. There is an accident. There's no spark. Open the time electromechanical cover. The trigger bracket is broken, causing the trigger to be worn out by the stone steel. I've always had a misunderstanding. I think 2-inch accessories are very expensive. Thinking about saving some money, go to the Buddy and get a guess accessory. But I didn't expect the accessories of this car to be not very expensive. All have been installed. The upper cover is installed. Insert the old sensor into the new sensor. This modified motor is still a little hot. Simply tried it. Sparks are normal. Due to the vehicle being parked for too long, the carburetor must be cleaned. Open the carburetor and find that the oil pan is really dirty. Wait a year for a year. The rhythm of spring to white. Today. At night. Cleaning the fuel injection valve. Two-stroke motorcycles need to burn mixed gasoline. I'll buy this thing. Here it comes. The oil inlet switch of the carburetor is not turned off. Pick it up and tap it casually. Connect the ignition system. Open the door. The current state is that it feels like it wants to burn, but it can't burn. Brothers, still a big deal. Let's push the torch away at the bar. We have no problem here. Feels a little dry. Arrange a hot and spicy one for him immediately. The color of this flame still looks better. Brothers, success in this move. If this calls back, it's the engine. Use it well, brothers. Wow. Oh. Here it comes. Ha 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 ha. My analysis, the problem must still be the spark plug. The spark plugs we bought also arrived today. Arrange for him immediately. Now the ignition problem has been solved. The flame out switch is broken. Can't put out the fire. Adhering to the attitude of poor buddies playing with cars, if it can be repaired, it will never be replaced. Butterfly. Now, we're going to fix the brakes. After stepping on the pedal, there is no brake at all. But the hole has aged. Piston died violently. Due to not using it for a long time, immersed in a lot of impurities. All cleaned. Due to the aging of the visual hull, it is not easy to buy accessories. We directly took out our ancestral app. The shell is all aging. Only replace it with a new one. Although he is a poor buddy, he still wants face. Remove all the shells. Ready to clean. The frame is a little rusty. When you have time to paint him later. The car has been cleaned. Arrange a new shell for him immediately. And it's not really a new case. This is my good friend who came to escape. Due to the good big brother, it took a long time. The appearance is a little yellow. Stop being unreasonable. Noisy. It turns out that this old power is seriously oxidized. Star forces arranged. Replace the new seat cushion leather. Don't ask me why I bought a green elevator. Because green sales are not good. So the price is cheap. Although poor buddies, but the brand new battery has to be ranged. Add gasoline to the mix. Your car is ready. We'll pull it to the road right away to see. What's that like? This is the legendary pass responsible for. Now this looks pretty standard. We'll be able to see. Brothers, I have already tried this. This is the first car in my life. I always said playing missing before. Is there a difference between a German car and a missing car? This car. He has to be motivated to take that kind of high turn. Let the 4 or 5 oil and he will come. Looking at my phone is still a little bit. I'm not used to it. If you try. Brothers, is this 1250 ready? This is the first used car in my life. Still more okay?